Did you know you can get paid to teach English abroad with a visa sponsorship included, even if you have never taught before in your life? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it happen. Let's get started. Right now, there is a massive global shortage of English teachers. Countries in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe are desperately looking for native and fluent English speakers to teach in their schools. And many of these countries will sponsor your work visa, give you free housing, and pay you a competitive salary, even if you have never taught before. Here are some of the countries that are currently hiring English teachers with visa sponsorship: China, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Thailand, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Georgia, and Spain. Some of these require a degree. Some only require a TEFL certificate. Some don't even require that. Let me break it down for you. If this is your first time on TripDoc, make sure you subscribe. Every week, I show you verified opportunities to legally live and work abroad. Now, let's look at how to get started. Here is what you need to teach English abroad. Option 1, with a degree. If you have a bachelor's degree in any subject, you qualify for the most major English teaching program in South Korea, Japan, China, and the Middle East. The salary is higher and the visa process is easier. Option 2, with a TEFL certificate only. If you don't have a degree, a TEFL certificate is your entry point. Countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Georgia hire English teachers with just a TEFL certificate. You can get a TEFL certificate online in as little as 4 weeks. Some programs cost as little as $50. I will put the link in the description. Option 3, native or fluent English speaker. In some programs, particularly community-based programs in Central Asia, Africa, and part of Southeast Asia, if you are a fluent English speaker, that is enough to get started while you pursue your certificate. The bottom line, there is an entry point no matter where you are starting from. Here is how to find a teaching job with visa sponsorship. Step 1, get your TEFL certificate. If you don't have one yet, go to the site like Bridge TEFL, ITTT, or I2I TEFL and sign up for an online course. A 120-hour TEFL certificate is the standard most schools require. Step 2, search on the right platforms. Here are the best websites to find teaching jobs with visa sponsorship. 1, Devs ESL Cave, eslcave.com. 2, ESL Authority. 3, Teachaway, teachaway.com. 4, CIEE, Teach Abroad. 5, LinkedIn, search for English Teacher Visa Sponsorship 2026. Step 3, apply directly to the school programs. If you want to go to South Korea, look up the EPIK program. That is the English in Korea, founded by the Korean government. They pay you salary, provide housing, and sponsor your visa. Application open twice a year. If you want to go to Japan, look up the JET program, the Japan Exchange and Teaching Program. It is one of the most respected teaching programs in the world. Pro tip: In your application, emphasize your communication skills and your passion for education. You do not need years of experience. You need to show you are committed. Step 4. Prepare your documents. 1. Valid passport. 2. TEFL certificate or degree certificate. 3. Updated CV. 4. Cover letter or statement of purpose. 5. Clean criminal background check. 6. Passport photos. Step 5. Receive your contract and apply for your work visa. Once you have a job offer, your school or program will guide you through the visa application process. Most programs have done this hundreds of times and will support you completely. Want a free list of verified teaching programs that are currently hiring with visa sponsorship, including country, salary range, and requirements? Drop the word teach in the comments right now. I'll send it to you for free, or DM me on TikTok at trip_doc. Teaching abroad is one of the most accessible, life-changing ways to legally move to a new country. You don't need years of experience. You don't need to speak another language. You just need to take the first step. Get your TEFL certificate, search on the right platform, apply to the right programs, and within few months, you could be starting a brand new life in a brand new country. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready for a change. I'll see you in the next video.